Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube video, and in this video we are going to calculate the differentiation of 1 divided by square root of a square minus x square. So the very first step that we are going to do is we are going to substitute this with a value. So y is equal to 1 divided by square root of a square minus of x square. Now the second step what we will do is we'll resubstitute this particular value, that is a square minus x square, with a different variable. So let the value of u is equal to a square minus of x square. So that means our original question now turns out to be 1 divided by square root of u, and this can also be written as u raised to the power minus half. So essentially when we want to calculate the value of differentiation of this particular expression, eventually what we are targeting is to calculate the value of dy by dx, because we have substituted this particular value with y. So the value of dy by dx can be written as dy by du multiplied by du by d of x. So now all that we have to do is just calculate the values of dy by du and du by dx and substitute in this particular expression. Now the value for u is given as a square minus x square, where the value of a is a constant. So let's take the operator here. So d by dx of u is equal to d by dx of a square minus of x square. So that means the value of du by dx is equal to d by dx of a square is 0 minus of 2x, so that becomes minus of 2x. Let us say this is equation number 1. Now the value of y is u raised to the power minus 1 by 2. So let us calculate the value of dy by du. So here we'll use a formula for differentiation, that is d by dx of x raised to the power n is nx n minus 1. So this would be minus of half u raised to the power minus of half minus 1. So now this comes out to be minus 1 by 2 u raised to the power minus of 3 by 2. Let us say this is equation number 2. Now from 1 and 2 we'll substitute these two values in this particular expression over here. So the value of dy by dx would be equal to dy by du, which is minus 1 by 2 u raised to the power minus of 3 by 2 multiplied by du by dx, which is minus of 2x. Now initially we had supposed that the value of u is a square minus x square. So we'll resubstitute the value a square minus x square in this particular expression. So the value of dy by dx now comes out to be minus 1 by 2 multiplied by a square minus x square raised to the power minus 3 by 2 multiplied by minus of 2x. So this 2 and 2 will get cancelled out, and finally what we have is, okay, let's write the answer here. So finally the value of dy by dx that comes out as answer is x multiplied by a square minus x square raised to the power minus of 3 by 2. So this is the final answer that we were looking for. So I hope that this video was informative enough, and for more such videos don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.